Hi everyone, just in time with all the snow we have. You get to make a snowman, but it'll be indoors. This is the completed project, and you have a lot of versatility on how you do his sweater and his hat. So in your kit, you have a white sock, a small ankle sock that's printed. You'll have a bag of rice. You will have some string, some rubber bands, and also buttons for the nose, not the nose, the eyes and his sweater, and a carrot colored nose, and you'll have some glue. I have glue now that I put into these tubes that snap shut, and it's easy to use a Q-tip with them. So this is a quick and easy craft, very fun to make. With this sock, you want to cut down as far as you can to when it's straight. So you're going to cut straight across right above that heel. And then you will have this. On the ankle sock, you will cut off this heel, and then determine how much hat you want versus sweater. So this guy got kind of rattly here, but this would be the sweater part, and then the toe of the sock is the actual hat. So however you want to, if you want more hat, cut further down. If you want less hat, cut further up. Okay, first step, you're going to turn the white sock wrong side out, and you're going to put a rubber band, and I would put it pretty tight because this is going to hold the rice. So rubber band that really tight. When that is finished, you will turn it right side out. And that's going to be the bottom of the snowman. You can then put your rice in. You can leave it in the bag and put it in, or you can pour it in and put it in, whatever you prefer to do. At that point, you will slide the sweater part of the sock onto the body. Oops, I'm sorry. We need to rubber band the top to keep that rice in. So rubber band close to the top. And then this will be filled with rice. Put the sweater piece on. You can put a rubber band around the bottom of the sweater if you want at first. And then I wrap this cord around once or twice and tie it and leave the little strings hanging just to add to the fun. I do the same thing at the top of the sweater, rubber band and tie it. Then you'll slip the toe of the sock, printed sock, over his head. I did not put a rubber band or tie it there. I just did it at the very top for the top of his hat. So I just gathered it up, and the top of the sock is up. The white sock is under here too, so it keeps his hat kind of full. So play with it however you want to tie the strings on and so forth. When that is finished, I would lay him down. It works easier that way. Lay him down, get a little bit of glue out of here, put it on for the two eyes, and then you have the two smaller buttons for the eyes, and then you'll do the same for the sweater and put the two larger buttons there. Then this little piece of wood dowel skewer, painted orange, is his nose, of course. What I did is determine where you want the nose. And instead of just setting it on there, I found I really kind of dig it in almost into the knit of the sock. It'll help stabilize it a little bit. Don't be afraid of putting plenty of glue on the accessories. If you have other accessories at home that you want to add to your snowman, have fun with it and enjoy it. And that's it for this time.